Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. So in today's video what we're going to talk about is 5 side hustles to make money from home. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button, also that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how, the 5 side hustles that you can do to make money from home. So the very first one is being a virtual assistant. This is a great way to make money because a lot of people are actually looking for these types of people. Some people are hiring other people to make their thumbnails for YouTube videos. They're hiring other people to, take care of customer service if they own like an online store, an e-com store. Some people are asking for people to do editing for their videos. And, you can do all sorts of different things because a lot of people are, trying to get virtual assistants. So, it can vary what you have to do in these things, but you can check that out, on, if you go to Upwork.com, for example, this is a great place where, you could put yourself out there and say, I know how to edit videos. I know how to make, thumbnails and things like that. And you could absolutely do that and, get paid for it because a lot of people don't want to spend the time doing that, or they don't have the time to do that. So they hire other people. So if you know how to do any of these things and even some other things, like there's so many different things that people are looking for that you can do. So this is the very first thing that I wanted to talk to you about. Now the next one is smashing that like button in this video. This is very important because it helps me with the algorithm. So if you're interested in that, you can do that, but don't worry, this is not part of the 5 side hustles that you can do, but it does help push the video up. So if you do that, I would highly appreciate it. So the next one that I really want to talk to you about, the real one, is being a graphics designer. This is, something that can be, learned. If you learn this, you can do logos for companies, logos for people. I'm not necessarily talking about huge companies, but some people are trying to launch small businesses, maybe selling t-shirts and things like that, and they need a logo. So you can do that, get paid for it. I've seen some people get paid for that, and, you can do that as well. You could do this from Fiverr.com as well as some other websites that you might know about. So, being a graphics designer is absolutely possible if you go to those websites and actually make some money. So, the next one that I want to talk about is being an article writer. Now, this is something that, a lot of people don't even hear about or know about. But a lot of people are hiring people to, write some articles, whether that's for a blog because they don't have time. Maybe they spend their money in other ways, or you spend their time in other ways, I should say, but they want somebody to keep writing their blogs for that. Or maybe they want to hire you to write an ebook, or maybe they want to hire you for, so many different reasons, and there's so many jobs out there, and a lot of people are, not even looking for that. And I'm sure, even though I haven't looked in it too much, I'm sure there's way more demand than actually people doing that. So you can absolutely make a side income and also a full-time income just writing, blog posts or things like that. And think about how many blogs there are out there. Some people obviously do this by themselves, but other people don't, and they hire people to do that. So, writing blogs and writing articles is a great way to make some side income. So this is the next one. But there is another thing that I want to talk about, which is creating a course. Now maybe, you might be thinking to yourself, I don't have the skills, to, you know, sell a course on anything. And, you know, maybe you don't know marketing, so you don't have an audience, or, you know, there's so many limiting beliefs that go into, you know, creating a course and actually not creating a course because you have those limiting beliefs. But, you know, if you think about it, you probably have something that you know how to do. Maybe you know how to edit videos, and you could create a course on editing videos. Maybe you're a pretty good cook and you could create a course on, you know, cooking. Maybe you know how to code and you could make a course on that. You know, there's like a million different things. And if you go to Udemy, which I highly suggest if you don't have an audience, if you don't know how to write ads, because Udemy will actually promote the courses for you, so that you don't really need to, you know, spend the time, energy and learning marketing if you want to create a course and actually sell it, because they'll do it for you. So, you know, maybe doing that is a great way to make some money. And if you go there right now, you could look into all the different things that you could create a course on, because so many people have courses on so many things. I've said this in the past video where there's somebody that made $1 million having a course on, you know, teaching people how to jump higher. So it's really like you could literally do a course on anything that you could think of and make some money with that. So, you know, it's very important, you know, that you don't have these limiting beliefs. And if you want to create a course, it's a great way not only to make some side hustle money, but to make some real money. Now, I do want to say that if you go to Udemy, you know, it's a great way if you don't have an audience, but they will take a cut of, you know, whatever you're trying to sell. They will promote it by, you know, getting some money off, you know, doing sales and things like that. However, if you don't know how to promote anything, or you know, you're thinking that you might struggle selling courses, this is absolutely a great way, because even if they put it on sale, you will still get like not only a commission, but you'll get pretty good money depending on the price that you want to sell it. And, you know, I do want to stress out that you don't want to undersell your product or your course, because if you sell your course for too cheap, not only you might not get any money, but people will think it's, you know, not worth it, because, you know, it's not a lot of money, so it's probably it probably doesn't have that much value in it. So make sure you put it at a decent price. I'm not telling you to sell it for tens of thousands of dollars, but, you know, make sure that, you know, you're in the average that people, you know, are buying courses for that kind of price. And keep in mind that a lot of people will buy it because they have a discount, but at first you want to put the prices right. So that's a great way to make some money pretty fast. Now, the next one that I want to talk about is being a YouTuber. Now, this is, you know, it can do so much for you. And, you know, some people might be thinking there's no way that you can make money on YouTube, or maybe you're not thinking like that. But if you do think like that, you know, look at all the people that are making a killing out there. You know, not only they're making money because, you know, they're promoting some stuff because they're, you know, they have some contracts with some companies, but they're also selling some stuff. Maybe it's affiliate marketing, maybe it's courses, maybe, you know, there's so many different things that they can do. Maybe it's, you know, doing tech reviews and they're selling, you know, doing affiliate marketing with that. Maybe they have their own products, their own t-shirts. And, you know, if you get 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, then you'll be eligible to actually get paid just by putting videos out, because they are going to show some ads in front of your audience. So this is a bit longer to build, but I do want to stress out that, you know, the first commission that I made, you know, on this channel, I believe I had like 12 subscribers. So you don't have to have a huge channel to actually start making some money, but, you know, you really, you know, want to stay dedicated to it. And I'm not going to go into, you know, YouTube videos and stuff like that in this video too much, but, you know, this is a great way to make money if you think about it for the long term. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.